you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Overwatch 2, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates through a gaming platform and install them to fix potential bugs. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off your console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC players, you can clear the battle net cache by closing the client and deleting the battle net cache folder. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Overwatch 2. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue and enjoy playing Overwatch 2 again. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.